Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Dissing Disabilities, where we discuss issues around disabilities, knocking down barriers one issue at a time. And we are continuing the talk of the IEP process. Today's focus is the dispute process. And this is real important, and I wanted to do this segment so that parents could have a really good insight as to why they have a dispute process and what happens, how it's formed. Because at this point, you and the district are disagreeing. You have not been able to get your child's IEP in motion. So you're going to the greatest degree to make that happen. And what I can tell you from experience on both sides, having been a special education student all my life, and also someone who has helped people prepare for IEP meetings, you must follow this format to the letter. And I can guarantee you, if you do not, you will not get the outcome you desire. Let me say this again because it's so important. You must follow this process 100%, or you will not get the outcome you desire. The mediation is a meeting with a disinterested third party to discuss the schools and the parents' concerns and understanding each other. It must be in writing. The mediator does not recommend solutions, but they try to see that both sides come to an agreement, and the mediator does not choose sides. The next step in the dispute process, if the mediation is unsuccessful, is the due process, complaint, and hearing. In the due process, complaint, and hearing, the decision of the mediator is not satisfactory. It's requested in writing. If resolution is reached at any stage, obtain such in writing. So no matter when you reach agreement, get it in writing. And someone from the district who's authorized to make decisions should attend this. You may bring an attorney to this meeting to represent you and your child's interests. If you do, the district will. If you don't, they cannot. Let me say that again because it is an important point. An attorney should be brought to this meeting to protect you and your child's interest. If you do, the district will. If you don't, the district cannot do it. The due process hearing, a case is similar to court, heard by a hearing officer or an administrative law judge. The judge or hearing officer is not an employee of the school district. An attorney should be representing your child's interests. You should be present. This is a formal court-like hearing. So an attorney should be present, and it's a formal court-like hearing format. The civil lawsuit. This is used when due process does not reach an acceptable resolution. It is also the most costly dispute option. The prevailing party can be awarded attorney's fees. If unsuccessful, you can appeal this decision to the state level with your Department of Education. If it's found during the trial that the district violated federal or state education laws, complaints can be filed with appropriate agencies. Now, I know this is a lot, but it's very important. So if you missed anything, you can refer to my book, Navigating the IEP Process, which is available at Amazon.com, or you can email me for information and I can send you information on how to obtain it. I also urge you to get involved with your community advisory council. Talk to possibly an education advocate. There are many, many resources out there if you reach this level, because this is a very, very serious level of non-compliance. I know this is a lot, but it's very important. So if you missed anything, you can refer to my book, Navigating the IEP Process, which is available at Amazon.com, or you can email me for information and I can send you information on how to obtain it. I also urge you to get involved with your community advisory council. Talk to possibly an education advocate. There are many, many resources out there if you reach this level, because this is a very, very serious level of non-compliance. So that being said, that ends our segment. As always, I invite you to email me with any comments, concerns, topics for the show, or any questions you may have. You can also email me for a consultation. I'm available by Skype or personally for a consultation. You can email me at rob@specificallyspeaking.com. I'd also love it if you could give this episode a thumbs up if you learned a lot about it, anything, or about the subject matter. And also, most importantly, please subscribe to our channel, because when you subscribe, we grow. When we grow, we get to stick around. And our new posts are posted every Friday. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.